Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to change the keyboard input language in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To do it, we have to go to Settings. We need to scroll all the way down until we see General Management Options, Language and Keyboard, etc. And here we have Samsung Keyboard Settings. Right now we have selected our main language as English United States, and our keyboard is set as such, English US. To change our language keyboard, we have to go right here, and we have Manage Input Languages. Let's say we want to use another keyboard. We have a lot of options available to us. For example, English UK, we simply check this box, and this we can uncheck right now. Back out, and we have our main screen and cover screen keyboard set as English UK. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.